Hey everyone. Today we're making something cool and comforting. A blueberry tiramisu. Light, luscious, and just a little unexpected. With soft cream, a pop of fruit, and a finish as gentle as a sigh. Let's get into it. We start with blueberries. Fresh or frozen, both are fine. In a saucepan, add 500 grams of blueberries. Turn on the heat, medium-low. They're tart, sweet, and full of color. Sprinkle in 4 tablespoons of sugar, just enough to bring out their natural sweetness. Then add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice for a gentle tang. Stir occasionally, just enough to keep things moving. Soon, the kitchen will start to smell like summer, like a warm breeze with better snacks. When it starts to bubble gently, stir in 1 tablespoon of cornstarch mixed with cold water. Keep stirring until it thickens, like jam with better manners. Once it's smooth and glossy, turn off the heat and let it rest. Now, we start to prepare the cream. In a bowl, pour in 200 milliliters of cold whipping cream. Add 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, just enough to sweeten without overpowering. Then 1 tablespoon of sugar. That scent alone is worth pausing for. Start whisking, gently at first, until soft peaks form, light and lovely. That's the texture we're after. Add 250 grams of mascarpone. Fold it in gently, just enough to keep the texture soft and airy. The cream turns smooth, rich, and quietly elegant. Light on the spoon, full on flavor. Take the cooled berries and mash them until they turn into a smooth, fluid puree. Deep, glossy, and ready to shine. Time to build the base. Place a layer of Savoiardi ladyfingers in your dish, neatly side by side. No need to press, let them lie soft and natural, like they just flopped in for a nap. Spoon the blueberry puree over the top, gently spreading it across every corner. Let the puree sink into the sponge. Bright and full of flavor, this is the start of something beautiful. Thanks for being here. It wouldn't be the same without you by my side. Spread over half the mascarpone cream, right to the edges. This is the heart of every bite. Honestly, if clouds had flavor, they'd taste like this. Gently place the second layer of ladyfingers, lined up like they're posing for a family photo. Neat, proud, and slightly sweet. Now spoon on the rest of that glossy blueberry puree. Let it pool and glide over the top, like it knows exactly where to go. Don't worry if it gets messy. Blueberry chaos is still delicious. Finish with the rest of the mascarpone cream, spreading it gently like frosting on a cloud. Smooth it for the last time. Try not to lick the spoon, or do. Honestly, who could blame you? That cream is dangerously good, like it knows your weaknesses. But save some, we're almost there. Come with me for a second. Just outside, this is my little mint patch. Nothing fancy, but it always smells like summer mornings. I'm snipping a few fresh leaves, soft, cool, and bright. We'll use them to finish our tiramisu. Just a few on top, for color and a breath of freshness. Cover it up. Plastic wrap is fine. Into the fridge for at least 4 hours. Overnight is even better. If you enjoyed this, feel free to subscribe. There's more comfort and sweetness coming your way. And hey, thanks for being here. Go ahead, take that first bite. Soft, chilled, and full of joy. Wishing you comfort and sweetness always.